Hello everyone, it's Colorette again, and today I got 2 packages from ROLECOSPLAY. I really love ROLECOSPLAY, they're one of my go-to cosplay companies. I got 2 new different Miku cosplays! The first one is Plaything Miku. I love Plaything, it's one of my recently favorite Miku songs. And Student Miku, which I conveniently have a figure of. I'm very excited to cosplay that one. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to start with Plaything. It's a big package. Also, I want to clarify, I didn't got any wigs, but it's already okay. And before we start, sure to use my code COLOR for 20% off of all the website. Isn't that great? One thing I'm not going to unbox, which is the petticoat. It's too big. I don't want to open it right now. I'm very scared, but we got ribbons. Look at these ribbons. We have a polka dot one, a yellow one, and a red one. I always love cosplay stuff. And the big ribbon that goes on my back. This is so cute. I got, I don't know how it's called, but I think it's, I'm not sure how it's called, but I don't know how to use that. And it has so much pretty detailing. You see that? I cannot show you how high quality is this. I think it's resin, I'm not sure, but it's so high quality. We have stockings which are thicker and warmer. This is so cool. The alt-white warm. This is the skirt. You see how pretty it is? You see it? It's big, it's popping, it's everything. And it will be even prettier with the crinoline on. I can't wait. Crinoline, I'm very scared to open it because it will bust all over my room. So I'm keeping it closed right now, but this is a regular crinoline like that. So cool they gave me this also. Oh, the fabric is so soft. And this is the shirt. This is like the moment. She's everything. She's the icon. She's the moment. You see that? It's so... Oh my god. Oh my god. You see that? What do you see that? Oh my god. Also, this is in size small. So everyone is wondering what size I ordered. This is small. It's so pretty. The buttons are custom fabric. I actually have like these buttons, but in something I'm making right now. So it's so pretty. You see them using them also. I forgot the bloomers. I really like them. Look, they're so cute. In the practical, you can save them for another cosplays. Second package. Student Miku. Let's see her again. I really like her. Student Miku shirt. I can honestly rock this also in an everyday fit. You see the music notes, very pretty. This is the cardigan, which has also, first of all, it has embroidery of the 0110, I'm not sure, Miku symbol, and it's actually very thick. It's like an actual piece of clothing you can wear. It's not cosplay quality, it's clothes quality. We have hair clip number 1. I'm going to use them already. And another hair clip number 2. She has 2. Remember that. The skirt. It's the perfect length. I have a Miku skirt, but it's not from ROLECOSPLAY, another company I ordered from, which is much longer. I like my skirts short. This is actually a huge deal for me. So I'm happy. I'm very happy. Scratchy. I'm not recommending you this for hair, but it's adorable on hand. Adorable. And stockings. I have 2 of these. They remind me of another Miku version, but that's it. Miku have a lot of real common themes, but this is adorable. And the ribbon for me. And actually that's it. Thank you again, ROLECOSPLAY. I really love their stuff. I really love they have a lot of variety of Miku stuff also to offer for everyone who looks for good quality and low price Miku cosplays. And don't forget to use my code COLOR for 20% off your next order in ROLECOSPLAY. It will help me, it will help you. So thank you.